Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we'll start with the topic of technical and business writing. So the beautiful part of writing is that you don't have to get it right the first time. Unlike say a brain surgeon, you can always do it better. Find the exact word, the apt phrase, and the leaping smile. Technical writing process. You first have to pre-writing, then drafting, then revising, then editing and proofreading, and then publishing. And the same process goes on. The process approach to writing requires the following sequence: pre-writing, writing, and rewriting. So what is pre-writing? Pre-writing allows you to spend quality time prior to writing the correspondence, generating information. In pre-writing, you determine your purpose, determine your goals, consider your audience, gather your data, and determine how your content will be provided. So examine your purpose, external motivation, and internal motivation. To persuade, to instruct, to inform, to build trust. These are all the goals you determine before writing. So consider your audience. When what you say and how you say it is greatly determined by your audience. To be an effective writer, you must use language that is audience-centered, not writer-centered. In other words, transcend your own perspective and consider the needs and interest of your readers. Gather your data. To decide what to say, you have to gather data. Some techniques of data collection are answering the reporter's question, mind mapping, brainstorming or listing, storyboarding, creating the organizational charts, flow charting, researching online or at the library. Determine how your content will be provided. The last stage in pre-writing is to decide how best to convey your message. Will you write a letter, memo, report, email, website, proposal, brochure, instruction procedure? So, writing. Writing lets you package your data. You need to package it in such a way that your readers can follow your train of thought readily and can easily access your data. Writing the draft lets you organize your thoughts in some logical, easy to follow sequence. To guide your reader, use organizational strategies such as spatial, chronological, importance, comparison, contrast, problem solution. These strategies are not exclusive. Many of them can be used simultaneously. So formatting. You must format your text to allow for ease of access. In addition to organizing your ideas, you need to consider how the text looks on the page. You need to ensure that your information is accessible. So rewriting. Rewriting lets you perfect your writing. After you have written your draft, and your final step is to rewrite. There are no good writers, only good writers. People who write effective documents know that doing so requires a second or third write. Good writers fine-tune, hone, sculpt, and polish their drafts to make sure that their final versions are perfect. To rewrite, you need to revise, and revise again. Revision requires that you look over your draft and do the following: add any missing detail for clarity, delete dead words and phrases for conciseness, simplify complex words and phrases, move around information to ensure that your most important ideas are emphasized, reformat to ensure reader-friendly ease of access, enhance the tone and style of the text, correct any errors of grammar and content. The writing process is effective and easy. All that you need to do is three things: pre-write about 25% of your time, write about 25% of your time, and rewrite about 50% of your time. Thank you very much. This is all about technical and business writing. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Thank you.